Addition and subtraction of matrices. How do we subtract or add matrices? Now, let us consider the given question here. So the question says, given that matrix P with the entries 3, 8, 2, minus 1, and matrix Q with the entries 7, 1, minus 3, 4. We're asked to find P plus Q. So this is question number 1. Question number 2 says P minus Q. So how do we go about this? Now for the first one, we have addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices, P plus Q. So this is P, and this is a Q. Now, on the first row here, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the first row here, this is the second row. Now, on the first row, the first entry here is 3 for P. On the first row here too, for Q, the first entry is 7. So to add matrix P and Q together, going along the first row here, the first entry here plus the first entry here, so that is 3 plus 7. So we have 10. Still on the first row, the second entry here plus the second entry here. So that is 8 plus 1. That is 9. So we have this. So we are through with the first row. So we move on to the second row now. The first entry on the second row here for P is 2. The first entry here for Q is minus 3. So we say 2 plus minus 3. So that is minus 1. Now the second entry here, we had together. We say minus 1 plus 4. And that will be 3. So this is the answer to that, P plus Q. So P plus Q will give us this matrix with entry 10, 9, minus 1, 3. Now let's take the second question. So that says, question number 2, P minus Q. P minus Q. So P minus Q, so we're going to have our P is 3, 8, 2, minus 1, minus Q, and that is 7, 1, minus 3, 4. So just like we had it for P and Q, so we do this. We do something similar here. So the first entry here, the first entry here, on the first row, the first entry here minus the first entry here. So that is 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. So that is a minus 4. The second entry here minus the second entry here, still on the first row. 8 minus 1. That is 7. Now we move to the row 2 now, the second row. The first entry here minus the first entry here, so that is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Minus there will give us plus. So we have 2 plus 3 eventually, and that is 5. Then the second entry here minus the second entry, so that is minus 1 minus 4. And that will give us minus 5. So this is P minus Q. So this is how we go about addition and subtraction of matrices.